Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have decided to gather all of my natural hair tools and must-haves and talk to you guys about them, because some of these things I talk about in videos and some of them I don't. I have everything in this little container, so I'm just gonna grab stuff out, and as I grab, I'm gonna talk about it, and that's gonna be that. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is microfiber towels. I got these from the Dollar Tree. You put this in the back, and then you kind of roll this and in the front, and then secure this in the back. But yeah, I really love these things. I have them. I have about 3. I have a green one, a pink one, and a purple one. Sometimes when I'm deep conditioning, I will just put a cap on my head, and then I'll just put one of these on and just sit under that, or let that just marinate for about a day or so. I do that sometimes, or sometimes I'll just, like, when I'm coming to you guys to do a wash and go routine on camera, then I'll put the plastic bag on and then put this on top just to hold in that moisture. And you can also dry your hair with them because it's very safe for you to do so. I don't towel dry my hair because I don't want to get rid of any moisture, so I don't really towel dry my hair directly, but I do go in after I put some type of plastic bag or plastic cap on my hair. I do go on top with one of these babies. Alright, so the next thing in here is this cap. I know you've seen it all over Instagram. This is just one that I got off of Amazon, honestly. I think I have it in my Amazon link below. They aren't that expensive. I think they're like $7 or $8 on Amazon. So a lot of people, like these cap companies like reached out to me, and I was just like, no. Like, I'm sorry, I don't want to talk about something that I know you can get somewhere else for way cheaper. So this is basically made for those of you who have very thick hair and it don't fit in the cap, and you want to put a cap on because your puff can come through here. Like, it's a wide hole. I love this cap. Like, I gave my best friend one because I had a black one too, but I didn't really like the black one. I want like a slap the shit on my face. I want like a green one or something. But yeah, I'll link it below. It has this type of strap in the back, so it doesn't have a Velcro, which is good because I have curly hair, and if it has Velcro, you already know. Alright, so the next thing I want to talk about is a brush, and this is the Texture Pro brush. It is a little dirty. This is basically a wet brush, and I absolutely love these. Every time I detangle with a wet brush, I have no issues. Like, it glides right through. I don't have a lot of shedding. I do it in the shower when my hair is wet because it's a wet brush. You're supposed to use this brush while your hair is wet, and I don't know what it is about this brush, but even my Demon brush don't hold up to this when it comes to detangling. I use this one specifically for detangling. And speaking of the Demon brush, you knew I was gonna have to say something about it. This one actually, oh y'all, I'm gonna go get another one tomorrow. I'm gonna go get, I promise. Cause you see how this look. Honey, I only use this for curl clumpage. I do not use this for detangling. Only use a wet brush. But to clump my curls together, I absolutely love this brush, and I'll normally just do that on my ends, because sometimes when I do my wash and goes, my ends just look so straight and straggly, and it's kind of weird, and I want everything to look very unified. So when I want that, I'll go in with a Demon brush on the ends, because a lot of you guys ask me why I go on the ends with a Demon brush, and that's why if I want all of my curls on the ends to look unified, that is what I do. So the next thing I want to talk about is a shower mirror, guys. And it comes with this little suction thingy where you just like put it. Y'all, I don't understand how you guys are working without this now. Like, I've been using this for years, and I don't even know what I would do without it. I just think it's very helpful, especially if you want to make sure you're getting the product all on your hair, and you like to do your wash and goes in the shower like I do, then this is perfect for you. I think this ran about $12. It's super cheap, maybe about 20. I bought it a long time ago. I don't know. But if I can find another one, I'll link it in the description bar for you guys. This is a fogless mirror, so it's supposed to not fog. Sometimes still fog. If it does fog up, just make sure you put some shaving cream on it. And then when you wipe it away, then it should be fogless for like the next hour or so until you're done with your whole hair situation. Alright, so the next thing that I have to talk about is this baby. I don't know why, that was so dramatic. So dramatic. But this is my satin pillowcase. I know, it looks all fancy, right? Y'all, this is older than me. This is my mom's. She gave it to me, and I've had it for years. And I've taken it with me to, like, college. This is love, okay? I've always known, my mom always taught me to sleep on a satin pillowcase. Anyway, let me see what brand this is. They ain't even got a brand. Wait. No brand. That's how you know it was old. I love old stuff. Anyway. So, yeah. Got it from my mom. It is essential. I, like, now that my hair is longer, well, not this long. Tutorial. Click above. Now that my hair is long, like, I feel like I don't have to wrap my hair or be as particular about wrapping my hair as much. So now I'm able to just go to sleep on a satin pillowcase, but having the habit of having a satin pillowcase is a really great habit to have. So I do recommend you guys just start doing that. Just buy satin sheets. Just buy some satin sheets so that you'll be okay, and you can just go to bed and then roll all over the bed with your hair, and ain't nothing gonna happen to it. That's some shit I do. But yeah, make sure you have a satin pillowcase, or if you absolutely can't get a satin pillowcase, which you should, you can get a scarf. Scarves are great. Satin scarves, you must have. Like, don't use cotton, anything. Your hair shouldn't touch any type of cotton except for your t-shirt when you put it on, okay? Okay? These are definitely essentials. You need to have these things. You need to go out and get these things. So the next product that I have, and I'm just pulling, like I said, I'm just pulling out of here, are the picks. I have a plastic one. This one's by Aunt Jackie. I don't know. I got it at like a hair show. And this is like a, you know. The reason I have both of these is because I like this one. It really slides into your hair a lot easier than this. But this one actually gives you more volume than this one. Like, this one right here, I feel like it just, I don't know, it just really gets in there. The plastic one, like, I wouldn't run out and get an expensive pick. I would just go get a little cheap plastic one because they work really, really well. You can find them at beauty supply stores, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Family Dollars. All that, Rite Aid, all that. Go get you one. So I've talked about these hair ties in another video. They're just big old hair ties that I feel like you guys absolutely need, because if you want to do a puff or something, get bigger hair ties. Especially if you're natural, just get the bigger hair ties. Let's stop getting small ones. Everything may be in my Amazon store because 90% of the things that I buy are on Amazon, honestly. I think these are like the Revlon extra large or something. This is a headband. And this is like a wide one. It can like unroll or whatever. But the next thing I want to talk about, and I'm almost done, guys. Almost done. Are the croc clips. These bad boys. I love these. I have a lot of hair and I need these. They disappear, so I am going to be ordering like 100 of them. Definitely going to do wholesale on these because I absolutely love them. I like to keep them in my shower. I like to keep them. They just hold down a lot of hair, like, honestly. I just love these things, and they slide out really easy. They don't snag. Perfection. So if you've never tried these croc clips, they are honestly worth it to me. To me, they're worth it. My hair don't snag. I never see hair caught up in like these little areas or anything like that. Like, they are perfect for curly hair. So definitely make sure you get, and they're called croc clips, C-R-O-C clips, if you want to find them, and I'll try to have that below too. So I was in the shower and my drain was clogged. And I unscrewed it because I'm a handy girl. I don't know if y'all know that. I'm really a handy girl. I went in there, y'all. I had some gloves on and stuff. Y'all, I pulled out a chunk of hair. Literally, it was like this. It's like, and all this was hair. Y'all, I pulled it. Oh my God. It was like soap and grime and product. Oh my God. I'm about to throw up just talking about it. But anyway, that prompted me to get one of these bad boys. Just get a little strainer. The holes are very small. It works out. It's perfect. You can't beat it. Got it off Amazon, I think for like $6. I keep this in my shower and I just put it down on the drain whenever I'm gonna wash my hair. Boom. Just like that. You are saving time and energy and money on plumbing and stuff. I just purchased a shower filter, which I'm super excited about. So if you have like hard water or you just want very purified, clean water to shower with, then Amazon have them all. I haven't tried it out, but a lot of people talk about using filters for your shower. Just get it, pop it on your shower, and be done. So the next item I want to talk about is a hooded dryer. If you've been following me, you already know that your girl loves herself a hooded dryer. I do have a video on it. I'll link it above on like me talking specifically about the hooded dryer, but it just dries your wash and goes so much better. It elongates your hair. It's perfect. Like I said, I'll link that above, but a hooded dryer is a must have, and also a blow dryer for your roots is a must have. I use a Conair dryer, but use whatever you got. It's just a blow dryer. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I think. Hope I talked about something you haven't heard of before. Did I? If I did, put it below. Or if I talked about something that you're like, I'm about to go get it, let me know in the comment section below. I just kind of want to know. Y'all know I talk to y'all. You know I respond to everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.